Hello, my name's Ian Sadler. I'm the musculoskeletal specialist podiatrist here at BX Clinic, and we're just doing a little series of videos to explain some of the problems we've seen caused by lockdown. So since we reopened after the first lockdown, we've noticed several patterns of sort of problems that people are suffering as a direct result of their actions during lockdown. So if you'd like to see some of the other ones, they'll be over on the YouTube channel. So if you found this interesting, head over to our YouTube channel at BX Clinic, and there's some more information there. So your body's probably been reacting to lockdown in several different ways, and one of the main things that we've seen for people is that they've been doing too little. They've been underdoing things relative to their normal activity level in lockdown. So gyms have been closed, you've been furloughed from work, so particularly if you've got a physical job like moving barrels around in a distillery or something like that, then that's going to be very different to what you're normally doing. And equally, if you usually play school sports or if you're in any organised teams, you won't have been doing those types of activities. So it actually doesn't take very long at all for your muscles and tendons and things to detrain, so to become less good at the job that they were doing. So even a few weeks off, and certainly the few months or several months that we've had with the various lockdowns, will have detrained the muscle tissue that you have. So add to that, if you're a teenager and you've been going through growth spurts, your body's changed and detrained at the same time. So both of these give us quite a recipe for injury when you return to that activity. So our advice here for trying to avoid those types of problems is to add a little bit of that type of activity in each day, or every few times a week. So not doing loads and loads, but just enough of something similar. So something similar to rugby, maybe move a few things around, lift up some weights if you are usually doing those sorts of things in your job, and hopefully that will keep your body making that higher quality and thicker tendon, ligament structure, that sort of thing. So hopefully that helps you avoid needing to come and see us. But if you do need us, we're always here for advice on 01603 327 999, and we'd be happy to help.